There was a farmer in a village who had a donkey. The donkey name was Lazy. Lazy was very lazy as per his name. He always tried to avoid work and would laze around all day. The farmer would take Lazy to work in the fields, but Lazy would always shirk work. One day, the farmer asked Lazy to carry a lot of goods to the market. Lazy thought that if he fell, the farmer would relieve him from work. As they were on their way to the market, Lazy intentionally fell, and all the goods got scattered. The farmer was very upset and had to load the goods again. This time, the farmer loaded even more goods on Lazy. Lazy then realized that his work had increased even more because of his laziness. He understood that in trying to avoid work, he had to work harder. After that day, Lazy never shied away from work and always did his work diligently. From this story, we learn that laziness never reduces work, rather it increases. Success is achieved only through hard work and effort. The story of the lazy donkey even today inspires people in the village to work hard. In a dense forest lived a bird named Chanchal. Chanchal was known for her cleverness and beautiful singing. She had built her nest on a tall tree where she had some eggs. She loved her eggs very much and protected them. One day, a hunter came to the forest. He saw Chanchal's nest and decided to steal her eggs. When Chanchal went in search of food, the hunter tried to reach the nest, but Chanchal was very clever. She saw the hunter and immediately made a plan. She came back quickly and started screaming loudly on seeing the hunter. Hearing Chanchal's voice, other birds and animals of the forest gathered there. By the time the hunter could reach the eggs, other animals of the forest came there and surrounded the hunter. The hunter ran away in fear, and Chanchal's eggs remained safe. Through this incident, Chanchal taught everyone that any problem can be faced with intelligence and courage. The story of his intelligence and courage is still famous in the forest. That's all for today. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more these type of stories. If you want to see the story in Telugu or Hindi, link given in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.